Oh, and we're back, guys. It's your boy Brit VR. Welcome to the show. I need a haircut so bad. It's getting ridiculous. This COVID-19, I can't just walk into a barbershop. You know, I'm just not going to get into that. But your boy needs a haircut really bad. But today we're going to talk about the Fed. So if you want to know more about the Fed, make sure you hit that like button at the bottom, hit the subscriber button, and the notification bell right out there. Oh, and we're back again. So the Fed decided to move inflation above 2%. They usually don't even hit 2% annually, and they said they're going to make sure they hit the 2% and maybe go above 2% in inflation. This is making the stock market a little more hotter because bonds are becoming pretty much worthless, and everybody is moving their money into gold or Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrencies, or maybe some DeFi. Why are people moving their money out of cash or stacking cash or putting their money into stocks? Well, I'll give you the reasons. There's going to be more money out there. People will have more money to play with, and they can just throw it in the stock market because the stock market pretty much moves up. We may see a dip because we are in a really bad recession. This is not a common recession. The stock market is hot now with a certain amount of stocks like Apple, Microsoft, you know those stocks. A lot of people are throwing their money into gold. Gold went to all-time high $2,000, well, $2,070. And Bitcoin is on a move back up to $12,000. The Fed actually just going to print more debt, more cheaper money at 0% because they can't hike up the interest rates because the times are so bad and we're like still in double digits in unemployment. So they're going to give a lot more money out, and the value of the dollar will slightly slip. It won't slip that much. It all depends on if they let inflation go to 4% or let inflation go to 6% or maybe to just 3%. It all depends on that. And there's just going to be more speculations on any item that somebody can hold the value of that item or make money on that item, because basically the dollar will be slightly going down versus the other currencies and Forex. Now let's talk about the Fed real quick, because usually when we go into a recession, the Fed hikes rates up because they see the market is getting hot. So for example, right now we see the stock market is in a crazy bubble due to inflation because they sent out trillions of dollars. The stock market right now is inflated. Housing is still inflated. But those are things they have to watch. The other inflation for other things are not happening, but those are two things they have to watch. Usually they will hike up rates because the markets and everything are getting too hot. There's a lot of jobs going on. And here go a chart right here. Every time the Fed hike up rates, we go into a recession. This time, the Fed can't hike up rates because the jobs are not high. They were high, before the pandemic happened. We were at like a 3% unemployment. Now the Fed should have got in at that moment, but now they can't because we went to like 20-some% unemployment. It was crazy. So the Fed doesn't have an opportunity right now to hike up rates. They can't hike up rates, guys. And if they do, guess what's going to happen? Unemployment is going to go further down. So these guys are somewhere they've never been before, and we always stuck to 2%, and we don't know what's going to happen. Last week, 1 million people plus applied for unemployment. The airlines, the money that the taxpayers gave to, they are going to lay off thousands and tens of thousands of people. Pilots, people work behind the scene because they don't need those resources. They're just losing money having those resources. Bankruptcies are coming to Brooks & Brothers, JCPenney's, all these retail stores. I don't know what chapter, but this is what's happening. Just make sure you get you some Bitcoin, because all the hedge fund managers, everybody is talking about Bitcoin. It's the hottest thing out there. Hit the like button, hit the subscriber button. Also check out my website, Brit VR Crypto. I have passive income videos for free on there for cryptocurrencies if you guys want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and all you guys have a good day, and all you guys have a good night, and enjoy the crypto life. Peace.